Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Fuzzy Fur Lifter. You may have seen similar products on TV. This is the ultimate tool in removing lint and pet hair from your clothing. It is so much better than using those sticky rollers, which can be a hassle to get the fur off of your clothes in the first place, and then they're a mess to clean up, and not to mention you have to replace those. This will be the last lint and pet hair remover you will ever buy. It is completely reusable. Now you'll notice that this is actually dual-sided, so you can pick up a whole lot of pet hair off of your clothing. And if you're like me, I love to snuggle my cat. If you got a dog at home, I'm sure you love to do the same thing. And you get a ton of hair all over you, and this is absolutely perfect for that, especially when you're a pinch running out the door and you got a bunch of hair on you. Now this isn't just a protective case. This thing is actually really cool. It has similar material on the inside that works with the brush, so when you stick it in and pull it out again, it removes all the hair from the lint brush itself and puts it into the case. And emptying this couldn't be any easier. The bottom simply pulls out and all the lint is right there inside for you to empty in the trash can and continue using this. Now the other cool thing about this kit is that you're actually going to get a smaller travel size version which has all the same great features, except this one just happens to be single-sided, but it's really great to throw in your suitcase or backpack to have with you on the go. If you're a pet owner like me, you know that that fur gets absolutely everywhere, not just on your clothes, which is great because this can actually be used anywhere, on your furniture and even inside your car on your upholstery. Now the best part about this deal is the amount of money you're going to save. Stop throwing away all that cash and time on those sticky lint rollers. I can't tell you how many of those I went through before I discovered this product. This is the last one you're ever going to buy. Plus we got a great deal on it. You're not going to pay anywhere near what you would on the television commercials. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.